as we have our seniors here, the eye candy beauties and the handsome charmers.
To grace the occasion, we extend a warm welcome to our esteemed management. Chairman Sir, Mr. Sudhir Agarwal.
Wife, Mrs. Neena Agrawal. Secretary Sir, Mr. Nimish Agrawal. And HOD, Orthodontics Department, Dr. Rahul Paul Sir. Mr. H.L. Agrawal, CEO cum Registrar. Chaudhary Sir, Manager, Administration Department. And last but not the least, Mr. Amit Verma Sir, Head of the Accounts and Admissions Department. And also a warm welcome to all the HODs, the faculty members and my dear students. In our college, we are taught to excel in all the fields and not just rote learning. We are taught that we shouldn't carve a niche for ourselves.
So, the students of our college are at par in both academics and co-curricular activities, and you can catch a glimpse of this tonight.
The evening opens on a stormy note with the vocals.
And I assure you that the songs will leave you all enthralled.
You'll go gaga and crazy. Now I call upon Ron Sain for her performance. Ron Sain of second year for the English vocals.
Touch me like you do, da-da, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Betting in, betting out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail of God. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not taking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear. are you waiting for? Thank you.
Wow, that was breathtaking, indeniable in making.
Ecstatic performance. I request all the dancers to kindly assemble near the stage. Coming up next is the best English singing group of our college. So get ready for some more pep and fun. Now I request Dania and Vandana of third year to come on the stage for their performance.
We carry chains our hearts and wait with your arm, never asking why. We kissed, I fell under your spell of love, no one could deny. Don't you ever say I just walked away, I will always want you. I can live a life running for my life, I will always want you. Like a wrecking ball, never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was you wrecked me. Yeah, you wrecked me. She got a body like an hourglass, but I can show you it's all the time. She got a body like a Cadillac, but I can turn you into overdrive. Oh. You've been waiting for that ooh, step and don't say you're back ooh. See, anybody could be good to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind. Into the room, I know you want it. All over you, I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute till you ooh. Bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want that back seat of my car. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute till you. She might have let you hold your hand in school, but I'ma show you how to graduate. No, I don't need to hear you talk the talk. Just come and show me what your mama gave her. You've been waiting for that shh. Step, I don't say you're bad. See, anybody could be good to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind. Red one. Let's go to the beach, eat, let's get away. Say, what they gonna say? Have a drink, find the bud, bad bitches like me. It's hard to come back, but you're Sean. Oh, let's get it on. Yes, I'm in the zone, but a 2, 3, never get tip. I'm a blow, I'm a money, I'm sure. I'm on the floor. I love to dance, so give me more, till I can stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly, ends up and touch the sky. Can't stop, cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly, ends up and touch the sky. Can't stop, cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Thank you.
Shall we have a big round of applause for them? A big round of applause for them. I request all the contemporary dancers to kindly assemble near the stage. Moving on to the next segment, here we have the classical dance. Dance is her passion. When she dances, the spectators are left gasping for their breath.
I'm not trying to be pompous, but no one in the classical zone can dance like her. And to prove her mettle, she's coming up on the stage. So please give a big round of applause for Rimple Das.
Rimple Das.
जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। वो राधा है, वो राधा है, वो राधा है, राधा है। आज से ताल मिला हो, आज से ताल मिला, आज से ताल मिला हो, आज से ताल मिला।
CC Greens has come alive with this beautiful performance.
And Krisha, there is more to this evening. There is a classical group dance which will take you all to a different world. So I call upon Dhruv and Parvez from 4th year.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रस रचिलो सज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे अभी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमळाओ छे अभी
मजा है जिंदगी नशा है जिंदगी धीरे धीरे चढ़ेगी। दुआ दे जिंदगी बता दे जिंदगी बात अपनी बनेगी। ख्वाबों के बीज कटी जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई 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 शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की लहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई
सज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे अभी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमळाओ छे अभी
Oh my God! Seriously, मैं क्या बोलूं इनके बारे में? An unparalleled vista. They have set an elusive benchmark for the others. It's a treat, it's a joy to watch them dance.
Trisha, do you remember what happened on December 16?
Of course, Akarshita, how can somebody forget that incident?
In fact, it is marked as a black day in the Indian history. The brutality of the New Delhi rape case raises the ire of the Indians who fear that sexual assault against women happen with disturbing regularity.
Our next dance performance is by Ruby from 2013 batch, and this performance depicts the dilemma of a rape case victim as to how she has to face this society.
कब तक निगाहें झुकाएंगी वो, चलती राहों में खुद को बचाएंगी वो।
छोड़े उसे, हमेशा लड़की पैदा करती है। मत मारो मेरी बच्ची को, मत मारो मेरी बच्ची को।
मेरी नाच में चूना भी मैं चूना पिता हो गए मारी पूरी चुन
समझौता तले हो जिंदगी की बसर, रुत बदलने का भी ना कोई असर, रत का वर्णन उनका भी है एक सा, कब तक चुप के आंसू बहाएंगी वो, जलती राहों में खुद को जलाएंगी वो।
Beautiful, impeccable, sterling performance. I seriously have goosebumps.
Heart-touching performance.
Heart-wrenching performance, I must say. But I don't know how people dance so well. I'm very bad at shaking a leg.
The group coming up next will make you all believe that anybody can dance. So, here we welcome Geetika and group from 3rd year.
दिल से तुझको बेदिली है, मुझको हर दिल का गुरूर, तू ये माने के न माने, लोग मानेंगे जरूर। ये मेरा
तुमसे मिली नजर तो असर हुआ है आज ये दिल पे, तुमसे मिली नजर तो असर हुआ है आज ये दिल पे, चैन भी गया होश भी गया, ना जाने क्या होगा कल से।
लोगों ने. What flexibility they have. Seriously, such intricate hairdos. What style.
Now it's time for some Bollywood music. And I call upon Dhruv Nandi to mesmerize us all.
Hello. हीरे मोती मैं ना चाहूं, मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा, मैं तो तेरी सैया, तू है मेरा सैया, सैया, तू जो छू ले प्यार से आराम से मर जाऊं, आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में ही गुम हो जाऊं, मैं तेरे नाम से खो जाऊं सैया, सैया, मेरे दिल खुशी से झूमे गाए रातें, पल पल मुझे डुबाए गाते गाते, अब बावरा हुआ मन जग हो गया है रोशन, ये नई नई सुहागन हो गई है तेरी जोगन, तेरे नाम से जुड़े हैं सारे नाते सैया, 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 तू जो छू ले प्यार से आराम से मर जाऊं, आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में ही गुम हो जाऊं, मैं तेरे नाम में खो जाऊं सैया, 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 मैं ना जानूं तू ही जाने, मैं तो तेरी तू है मेरा, मैं ना जानूं तू ही जाने, मैं तो तेरी तू है मेरा.
Dhruv, your song touched our souls.
Electrifying performance, I must say.
This song was fresh, just like a swirl of wind, ruffling the trees.
Now, the last group performance of the evening is coming up next to mesmerize you all and make it a moment to remember. I call upon Kunal, Braj, Sushmita, Sumaya, Piali and Smiti from 4th here for their song.
Na 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 na
Next we have the skit competition.
I promise you all will return to your homes with a renewed vigor.
For the skit competition, I first call upon stage the second years, the final years. Final years on the stage, please, for the skit.
The topic of fourth year skit is attraction. You all must be thinking, the attraction hota kya hai? Basically, it is the combination of addiction and attraction, जो हर इंसान की जिंदगी में होता ही है. So here in our act, we are representing कि किस तरह से एक इंसान नेगेटिविटी के दरवाजों की तरफ जल्दी अट्रैक्ट होता है एंड एडिक्ट हो जाता है. फिर क्या होता है जब वो अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है? So let's have a look.
performance. Now I call upon stage the second years for the skit competition.
When we are young, we indulge in the pure joy and innocence of finding our first love in God. But this blissful moment becomes tarnished by seemingly harmful distractions, which turn into temptations and ultimately into deadly sins. But no matter how far we go away from Him, He is always trying to pull us back to Him. Then, when we decide to come back, He's there to take us back, no matter how late and what the cost it is. This is not a skit. It is a phenomena. It kind of puts into perspective just what God does. That second year presents Set Me Free.
Speak to me. I want to feel you. I need to hear you. You are the light that's leading me to the place where I find peace again. You are the strength that keeps me walking. You are the hope keeps me trusting. You are the light to my soul. You are my purpose. You're everything. And how can I stand here with you and not be moved by you? Would you tell me how could it be any better than this? Yeah. Calm the storms when you give me rest. You hold me in your hands. You won't let me fall. You still my heart when you take my breath away. Would you take me in? Take me deeper now. How can I stand here with you and not be moved by you? Would you tell me how could it be any better than this? How can I stand here with you and not be moved by you? Would you tell me how could it be any better than this? tell me, how could it be?
Beautiful performance. These people are such bundle of talent.
Now our dear interns are going to perform the next. So now I request Shubhangi ma'am and Nitin sir to come up on the stage.
And set the stage on fire.
As always.
जिसे जिंदगी ढूंढ रही है, क्या ये वो मकाम मेरा है? यहाँ चैन से बस रुक जाऊं, क्यों दिल ये मुझे कहता है? जज्बात नए से मिले हैं, जाने क्या असर ये हुआ है? एक आस मिली फिर मुझको, जो कबूल किसी ने किया है। किसी शायर की गजल, जो दे रूह को सुकून के पल, कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर। नए मौसम की सहर या सर्द में दोपहर, कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर।
Gotta get, 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 that. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll, that future flow, that digital spit, next level visual shit. I got that. How to beat bang.
I like that boom boom proud. Them chickens jacking my style. They try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. I'm sold 3008. You sold 2000 late. I got that boom boom boom. That future boom boom boom. Let me get it now.
Gotta get, gotta get, gotta get, gotta get, that, that.
What? What?
We'll miss you seniors, seriously, and we'll miss these performances. There's an announcement. For the fashion show, the order is first year, followed by second year, followed by third year, and then the final year. So please be ready.
We now need to appreciate the efforts made by the participants.
So, to present the awards, I call upon stage Mr. Sudhir Agrawal sir and Mrs. Neena Agrawal ma'am. Sir and ma'am, please come on the stage.
Poster competition goes to 4th year, Shivani, Isha, Tulika and Disha. Please come up on the stage.
A huge round of applause.
The second prize goes to Madhuri, Kundal, Sohag and Sumit from 4th year.
And the third prize goes to the intern batch, Manvi, Ayala, Rekha and Ojaswita ma'am. The intern batch, third prize. Next is the paper presentation. The first prize goes to Vidhi of final year.
Second prize goes to Parvez of final year.
And the third prize to Piyush of second year. Please make it fast.
Second prize is shared by Sumaya and Parvez of final year. For the quiz competition, the first prize goes to the first years, Soham, Vijaya, Sumaya and Jyoti.
Moving on to the carving competition, the first prize is won by Shikha of first year.
Second prize by Madhuri of final year.
And the third prize goes to Rekha of intern batch. Rekha ma'am of intern batch.
For the cultural awards, the first prize for Rangoli competition goes to Kiran, Aparna, Dolphy, Sebi and Kajal.
Second prize goes to Sheetal, Nomi, Chetna, Sondita and Ankita.
And the third prize goes to Akansha, Zeba, Chanchal, Bhavna, Anika, Priya, Rashi and Pooja.
Hindi vocal solo, none other than Dhruv. Dhruv of final year.
And for Hindi group, it goes to Kunal, Brad, Sushmita, Sumaya, Piali and Smiti of final year.
Instrumental, Braja Ballabh Deori of final year. Final years have done so well this time.
For the classical dance, in the solo section, Rimple Das has won the first prize.
Classical group dance, again final year, Parvez and Dhruv.
For the contemporary dance, the solo award goes to Ruby of second year.
And the contemporary group dance, third year, Geetika and group.
For the English vocals, in the solo section, Rongsen has won the first prize.
And in the English vocals group, Dania and Vandana of third year. Dania and Vandana.
for the skit competition. Any guesses? It is second year.
Second year. Second years, all of you. Blessy, Mayank, Ayush, Varun, Shazmeen, Ruby and Sandeep. All of you on the stage, come to collect your award. The Rangoli competition second prize winners, please come on the stage. Sheetal, Nomi, Chetna, Sonvita and Ankita, please come on the stage.